I'm making a dating site, but it looks quite boring and old. I don't think people will join my dating site. Let's search for something good. Okay, let's search for the best dating software. It seems like WP Dating is quite popular. Let's check them out. Looks like they have tons of features. Wow, they have really nice-looking themes. Let's check the pricing. The prices seem to be reasonable as well. I will purchase their most popular package. Now, my website looks totally amazing. Cool! They say it is Elementor friendly. Let's customize our site. I will see how it looks. Okay, it is quite customizable according to my preference. Nice. Yes, it is easy. I can customize so many things. It is awesome. I think to make my site stand out, I will need some unique custom features. Let's contact them.
Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to WPDating.com.
Hi, I'd like to create a custom feature where users can create a virtual events using Zoom or Google Meet on my dating site. Can you help me with this?
Just to confirm, you want a custom feature that allows users to create and manage virtual events, like video meetups, directly from your dating site, right?
Exactly. I want them to be able to choose Zoom or Google Meet when creating an event. Since other services charge a lot, we want to use free call services.
Got it. That is a great idea. We'll integrate Zoom and Google Meet options so users can create, join, and enjoy the events. Could you please confirm your request in detail so that we can come up with a reasonable cost and timeline?
Sounds great. Sure. I will email you with the exact requirements.
We'll estimate the cost based on development hours once we finalize. Typically, this would take around 1 business day. Once payment is confirmed, we'll provide you with the timeline and update you on the progress.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the information. I will email you with the exact requirements. Thank you very much. You are very helpful. Have a great day.
I'm always happy to help you.
So, I emailed them with my detailed requirements. They provided me with the invoice. I paid the invoice and received the custom plugin in just a few days. Installing the plugin is very easy. I upload and activate it, and the custom feature is available on my website. Let's test my new custom feature. Wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Thank you, WP Dating, for transforming my imagination into reality and for everything.